Hey guys, and on today's item shop we have something pretty special. There's this right here, this pack. And this pack is actually giftable. That's the first time I've seen anything like it. Because if you guys look at this, for example, this pack, there is no gifting option. So finally Epic made some changes and made something giftable when it comes to packs or bundles. So you guys can see even this one's non-giftable. However, if you go into double agent pack, yes, it's giftable. We do have the option to gift. So I'm really happy about that because any of the winners will be able to also choose this if you don't want Captain America. So again, you will be able to choose this instead of Captain America if you want to, which I personally would just because of everything you get within this pack. Now there is also this pack right here, which is pretty neat and pretty cheap if you think about it. Now let's move on and we're gonna see Airhead right here, available right now, as well as this skin with, of course, its back bling. And let's not forget about this wrap. Next up we have this skin right here, which is a pretty funny skin. I do prefer this style, and it does come with this back bling. And of course we have this harvesting tool right now available, which is pretty neat. Let's not forget about this pretty cool skin with, of course, its back bling. Next up we have Wild Gunner, and yes, this pickaxe is right now available. Last but not least, all our emotes, which include this guy and Rage Quit. And lucky for us, Captain America is still available. So yes, that actually means the giveaway is still happening, just like I mentioned before. Now if you don't want Captain America, you can always choose this skin right here, or maybe just this wrap, or even just the glider. But anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area, and don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.